Work with the control panel. Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of the windows. These changes may include the following: appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and software setup and configuration, system and security, network and internet, user accounts and family safety, setting clock, language and region. These settings control nearly everything regarding Windows appearance, internal settings and personalization. They allow you to customize the windows according to your preference. You can open the control panel in the following way. Click on the Start and go to scroll down to Windows System. Select Control Panel from the displayed sublist or type Control Panel in the search box and press Enter. Changing date and time. To change a computer's date and time, click on the Date and Time option in Control Panel. The Date and Time dialog box will appear. By default, the Date and Time tab is selected. First, let us find out how to change the date. Click on the Change Date and Time button. The Date and Time Settings dialog box will appear. Select the current day in the calendar that is displayed. You can change the month using the forward-backward arrow buttons present on the calendar. Let me now tell you how to change the time. To change the hour, select the hour in the text box located below the clock. Click on the spin arrows to increase or decrease the hours as desired. Similarly, you can change the minutes and seconds. Click OK. The date and time settings of the system will change accordingly. Now let us talk about fonts. Different styles of writing, characters or text in a specific size are known as fonts. Some of the popular fonts are Arial, Calibri, Verdana, Times New Roman, etc. Font settings are used to change the display of text on the screen as well as on the paper while printing. You can use the control panel to view fonts, add new fonts, or delete the existing ones. To view the fonts in the control panel, follow the given steps. Click on the Fonts option in Control Panel. The Fonts window appears. To view the sample of a font, double-click on any given font. To add new font or fonts to the fonts list, follow the steps given below. Open this PC folder by double-click its icon on the desktop. Select the appropriate drive and then open the folder that contains the new fonts. Select the font that you want to add and drag it to the fonts window. The new font will be added in the list of existing fonts. You can also copy and paste the desired font in the fonts window. You can also delete the existing font. To do so, select the font that you want to delete. Click on the Delete button present above the font thumbnails to remove it from the list. Changing the mouse settings. You can customize the mouse settings in various ways, such as changing the appearance of mouse pointer, changing the functions of the mouse buttons, or altering the scroll speed of the mouse wheel. To do so, follow the given steps. Select the mouse option in the control panel. The Mouse Properties dialog box will appear. The Buttons tab is selected by default. It provides options to change the settings of mouse buttons like swapping the functionality of the left and right button, increasing or decreasing the double-click speed, etc. Under Button Configuration section, select the checkbox to make use of the right button for the primary functions like selecting and dragging. To change the double-click speed of your mouse, drag the slider under the double-click speed section towards the left to make it slow and towards the right to make it fast. To test the speed, double-click the folder given on the right side. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower speed. To change the appearance of your mouse pointer, click on the Pointers tab. Here you can change the size, color, and shape of your mouse pointers. To change the pointer image, click the scheme drop-down list and choose any mouse pointer scheme. You can also change pointer images for particular functions like normal, select, busy, etc. To do so, click the pointer function in the Customize section and then click on the Browse button. Double-click on any file name and observe the change. Click on the Apply button to incorporate the change or click on Use Default button to return to the default setting. You can also adjust the speed of your mouse pointer by clicking on the Pointer Options tab and dragging the speed slider similar to as shown in figure. Drag the slider from slow to fast under the Motion section. Click on the Apply button and then click OK. Replacing double-click with single-click. Windows has the feature to replace the double-click setting of a mouse with single-click to open any file or program. Follow these simple steps and forget the practice of double-clicking the mouse forever. Click on the File Explorer options in the control panel. The File Explorer options dialog box appears as shown in the figure. Turn on the single click to open an item option present under Click Items as follows section. From the sub-option, select the underlying icon titles only when I point at them option. Click on Apply and then click OK. Enjoy the experience of working with single click now. Remember to select any item from a list. You just have to place the mouse pointer there. The item would be highlighted. To open any program or document, just click on it. Power saving modes.